Hi everybody, yeah, this is Sami. I'm from Turkey and I'm a proud petroleum engineer who is graduated from Istanbul Technical University 2004, and since then to now I have been working in drilling industry, both oil and gas and geothermal. I started to work for GRG by 2014, and since then to now, yeah, I involved in too many different projects, mostly in Indonesia. And today I will try to explain the services that we provide in geothermal business. So yeah, first what we do, yeah, we do drilling engineering and supervision. We do the resource quantification, reservoir engineering, geosciences, well testing. We can also help our clients for contracting assistance when they're evaluating the bids that they receive. And we can also provide in-house drilling engineering training or reservoir engineering training. Well, speaking of the drilling engineering and supervision, which is our main focus, and we have been working only on geothermal. We do not have any business in oil and gas. We just focus on geothermal. So, sorry. What we do, yeah, we design the wells, and then we prepare drilling and workover programs to drill the wells, and then we can also help you to supervise during the drilling of these wells. Wellbore simulation, permitting applications, this is for US, and IPM contracting assistance. So exploration and geoscience, yeah, we help you out for conceptual modeling, 3D geological modeling, well targeting, geological prognosis, well site geology. These are all the services that we provide. And speaking of the reservoir engineering, we do wellbore simulation, optimizing wellbore flow design, designing and supervising well flow tests, interference testing and pressure testing. I don't know what's happening, but sorry. And quantification of the productive capacity and integrated reservoir management. And again, yeah, we also provide drilling training, and we can explain the differences between oil and gas and geothermal drilling. And well design, casing selection, cementing. That's my understanding. Most of the fellows have already been, talking about the differences between oil and gas and geothermal. But when it comes to geothermal drilling, yeah, it really needs expertise because you're dealing with really high temperatures and you're drilling really costly wells. Yeah, a typical geothermal well costs a lot of money as opposed to oil and gas. So yeah, you have to design the wells carefully, and you have to drill and supervise on site with really, experienced people. So yeah, the other things that we may discuss about regarding the differences, the loss circulation. So most of the cases, especially when you drill through the reservoir, you do not have any returns to surface, which really struggles you because of the hole cleaning issues. And yeah, the fishing tools and techniques. This is another thing. Well, in oil and gas, you drill wells in time and budget, but in geothermal, most of the cases, yeah. Well, what I'm trying to say, getting stuck is something common in geothermal. But it's not a problem as long as you know how to deal with it, and as long as you know how to retrieve it back. So, and we also help our clients for spatial operations, well stimulation, well control issues. We had a recent well flow in one of the wells in US, and I guess this picture was taken from that well, and we helped the client to control the flow and kill the well. So where we work, yeah, we worked and still working in Indonesia, Ethiopia, Kenya, Zambia, Djibouti, Turkey, Portugal. And here are some projects that we involve in Latin America. As you can see, we work in Chile, Nicaragua, El Salvador, Mexico, Dominica. Yeah, we're working overseas. And this is one of the projects that GRG involved in Dominica. We started the drilling in 2012 in two resource areas, drilled 5 wells, and the estimated 15 megawatt installed capacity was the outcome of this project. We managed the drilling supervisory and remote engineering support, as well as the well site testing engineering. In US, we mostly focus on California, but we have some other projects that we work in Oregon, Idaho, Nevada. We have a recent project in Nevada. We are working with US, baseload US, and we are helping them out for the well design of their upcoming project, which will be in Weepa Hills. We also did some workover jobs in Alaska, New Mexico, Colorado. And this is a day versus step chart. Well, we involved in Utah Forge project, and we provided drilling supervisors and well site drilling managers to that project. And we involved in the drilling of 56-32 well, and we achieved 14 days improvements, and we were able to finish the well 14 days ahead of the plan. What we did in that project, we utilized MSE, which stands for mechanical specific energy, which was combined with latest PDC technology, and the outcome was really satisfactory. And this is another day versus step chart taken from Salton Sea wells in California. And if you see this red one, this is the one that we drilled recently, and you can also see other wells here in the same area. So yeah, most of the wells having or targeting pretty similar TDs, but this well, the GRG first well that we completed less than 40 days, and this one was less than 40 days again. So yeah, there was a great achievement in terms of drilling time and cost as well. And this is another project that we work in US. We helped the client to drill their wells. We successfully completed 7 geothermal wells, and we put 49 megawatt on the grid. These are all high temperature wells, by the way. And in Salton Sea in particular, you're dealing with high salinity, up to 28% of dissolved solids in your geothermal brine, which is a big challenge during the well planning phase. And here is another project, again in Salton Sea. This is something really popular nowadays. So they're drilling geothermal wells, and aside from generating electricity, they're also extracting lithium to be used in electrical vehicle batteries, lithium batteries. So we drilled 2 wells in this project, successfully completed, and they had a suspension, and we are hoping that they're going to continue the drilling some additional wells, hopefully this year. And in Asia Pacific, we work in Philippines, Indonesia, New Zealand, and I used to work for the Seoul project, Serula project. That was my first geothermal project in Indonesia. And we drilled more than 40 wells, and at the peak time we used to operate with 4 rigs, and we were providing drilling supervisors, well site geologists, well site drilling engineer, and senior geologists So the total capacity that we put together was 330 megawatts. And well, there was another workover campaign after we finished drilling campaign due to very low pH, which was highly corrosive. So we had to set the scab liners to mitigate this issue. And after that, we had another workover campaign to replace the scab liners because there was a temporary solution. And in the end, we replaced all these casing strings with CRA casing, which is corrosion-resistant alloy. This is another Sumatra project, Sorik Marapi, and we have been providing remote engineering support to this project, and I was dealing with the drilling programs. We drilled almost more than 20 wells so far, and they have already installed 140 megawatts to the grid. And I really don't know why I put this slides, but yeah, he's my boss, Bill. So yeah, I've been working together with himself, yeah, last 10 years, as I said. So yeah, he's a petroleum engineer too. And yeah, our office, by the way, is in California, Salton Sea. And Richard Holt is our vice president, and he is the reservoir engineer. Mary, yeah, she's our senior geologist, and she has been working overseas more than 15 years. And this is me. And I guess that's all I have.